How to activate Royal Bank of Scotland credit card online. In order to activate Royal Bank of Scotland credit card, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started with the video. First of all, you may just go ahead and log in into their digital banking. You can go through uh, your website or even download the application if you prefer. So what you can do is once you are into their website, you can log in. Look out for the login option. For this, we have it on the top left corner. Just go ahead and tap on it, and you should be taken towards their login page where you can use your credentials. So here, just go ahead and go to the space where you can use your credentials. So go ahead and provide up your customer number, and I'll provide it up. And here, if you'd like to use your card number, you can select this card number and type it in here. After that, basically go ahead and tap on continue, and you will be logging in with your credit card number here, right here. And then once you are logged in, you can basically on the account summary page, locate and select your new credit card within the app or the website. And then you can look out for options such as activate my credit card or similar link on the credit card account for the details space. And you can go ahead and complete the steps as directed to activate your card. And that way you can activate your card. Once your card is activated, remember to sign the back of your card. And if you are replacing old credit card, make sure to destroy your old card securely. So this is how you activate your Royal Bank of Scotland credit card. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.